topic is AutoCAD. Introduction. AutoCAD is a commercial computer-aided design and drafting software application developed and marketed by Autodesk. AutoCAD was first released in December 1982 as a desktop app running on microcomputers with internal graphics controllers. Before AutoCAD was introduced, most commercial CAD programs run on mainframes computers or mini computers, with each CAD operator working at a separate graphics terminal. AutoCAD is also available as mobile and web apps. AutoCAD diagram. History. Developers Autodesk initial release on December 1982, 39 years ago. Stable release on 2022, March 24, 2021, 13 months ago. Operating system on Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android. Available in language 14 language. Type computer aided design. Links Realware website. Application of AutoCAD. Architectural drawing of all kinds, interior design and facility planning, workflow CAD and organizational diagrams, proposals and presentations, graphics of all kinds, drawings for electronic, chemical, civil, mechanical, automotive and aerospace engineering applications, floats and other representation of mathematical and scientific function, technical illustration and assembly diagrams, company logos. Social uses. AutoCAD is the original CAD software used by millions around the world. It can be used to create precise 2D and 3D drawing and models, as well as electrical diagrams, construction drawing and more. Advantage of AutoCAD. In the last 25 years, AutoCAD has created many changes in field of building and manufacturing. Some of advantage of AutoCAD are followed: capability 2D and 3D, compatible with